All right, what's up? Just got back from probably one of the coldest caffeine and octane events I've been to. It's like 40 something degrees, but there's like a crazy wind chill, and it's like just so much wind out there. Just super windy. And yeah, my hands are still like kind of chilly, so my arms shake at all. That's why. Um, but yeah, cool cars or whatever. It was interesting. I'm just happy to finally be back in a warm house and not out there in what feels like the subarctic. Um, what drink are we gonna make? Oh no, I just kind of like put the camera on and just start recording. We'll just do like a normal latte, nothing too special. Let's see, what kind of cup I want to use. We'll use the Fontana Village cup, a normal medium pitcher, and yeah, we'll just get going from there. Those videos I uploaded from the yezypods, that's an interesting experience. a lot of different kinds of comments I'm getting on those, and I mean, yeah, it's mostly people saying that like they're $200, they should be like way better quality, but then I'm just like, you could spend a lot more on footwear. I mean, I guess I could see like the point of like there's really not much to them. Like it's literally like some like knit material and plastic pads. Maybe there's more to it. But and I don't want to make like excuses for it. Like yeah, that rip should have never happened. But maybe it's just like I try to keep like an open mind. Like I knew what I was getting into when I bought those things. And I bought them like 5 minutes after they went live. There was no size chart up there, and I saw the 3 sizes, which really threw me off. And I was like, oh god, I really hope I choose the right size. But I mean, honestly, their customer support's been pretty good, and they told me that hey, if it hasn't shipped yet, then we can change the size or whatever. And then like I almost went back. I almost got a size 2 instead of a size 3, but I'm kind of happy I got a size 3. It fits me okay. But this is not an easy review. This is a coffee video. I'm losing track of what I'm doing. But yeah, I just got like a lot of different comments on there. Organic hole. But anyway, like I'm sure it was like algorithm or whatever, but thanks if any of y'all watched the videos. Whether it be like reviews, whether it be talking about iPhones, or whether it be all this coffee stuff. Like and thanks for the comments. Thanks for the positive comments. And the non what do you call it? The non-assuming comments and whatnot. Like I like talking to people. I like sharing experiences, and I like just like hearing what people think about stuff. It's kind of my job. Not this channel, but I mean like professional, like actual profession, like business wise, it's kind of my job. So I like to hear feedback. Shot's looking really good. I'll cut this one short, about right there. You may see some like water splashing up. I need to empty this. But yeah, the thing about this channel, I kind of upload whatever I want. I don't want to have like any kind of main content or anything. Like I want to diversify a bit, you know? Yeah, I never ever want to just like make one kind of content and stick to that, because that's how you burn yourself out, and that's how you make hobbies that you used to love not that enjoyable anymore. So I kind of just share what's going on in my life. I kind of just share like different technologies and products and whatever other crazy stuff I get, because like I said, I'm pretty open-minded about things, and I just like to try new things. I just like to discover, talk to people, and just see, and yeah, just get feedback. So that's kind of the point of this channel. It's not to like only make coffee videos, it's not to only do reviews. It's really just to do whatever I want and see what people think about it. All right. Pray for good luck, Art. It started okay. I didn't lift it up high enough before I like ran it over, but there is an impression of a heart. Well, I mean, you know what? I guess I can pass as a heart. It was pouring really nice. Like, it was doing everything perfectly. I didn't lift up high enough before I like ran it over. But there y'all go. I'm also recording all this on the Blackmagic app. I was really hoping to have like audio gain so I didn't have to like try to speak up or try to edit anything in post. I tried to just like record these and upload them straight to YouTube, so, but I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. But yeah, just a normal latte, nothing too special. Thanks for watching, thanks for hearing me ramble. And yeah, we'll have more videos soon. I got a, I did take some videos from the caffeine and octane, so it's not the longest video, but just some stuff I saw. Like I said, it was really cold and I wanted to get out of there, so yeah, expect a shorter caffeine and octane, just like clips or whatever, just shots, whatever, later. Anyway, enough rambling. Thank you all for watching. See y'all later.